Mount Lico, the mysterious mountain, untouched by humans for centuries. Imagine a place on Earth that remained completely hidden from humans for centuries. A place untouched, unseen, and unknown. Where the soil has never felt a human footprint. Where trees and creatures have evolved in a world of their own, without a single interruption from mankind. This is not a fantasy. This is a real place. Mount Lico, in Mozambique, Africa. At first glance, Mount Lico might look like just another mountain. But its summit hides a secret. A dense, pristine rainforest that remained completely isolated and undisturbed for hundreds, maybe even thousands of years. The most unbelievable part, this place was the top screen. Yes. The story begins with a scientist named Dr. Julian Bayliss, who was exploring untouched regions of Africa using satellite imagery from Google Earth. One day, while scanning the terrain, he noticed something unusual. A mountain whose top appeared unusually green and dense compared to the surrounding forest. As he zoomed in, he realized it wasn't just trees. It looked like a walled garden, completely surrounded by steep cliffs. This strange mountaintop jungle didn't match any known maps or research. Dr. Bayliss immediately knew this place needed to be explored. In 2018, he assembled a team of scientists, climbers, and biologists for an expedition. But reaching the summit of Mount Lico wasn't simple. There were no paths, no roads, no signs of previous travel. The mountain rises almost vertically on all sides, making it extremely difficult to climb. The team used ropes and climbing gear to scale more than 1,000 feet straight up. And when they finally reached the top, they discovered something incredible. An untouched rainforest, so pure, so isolated it felt like stepping into another world. The air was thick, the forest dense, and everything felt strangely silent. There were no signs of modern life, no trails, no trash, no footprints, nothing. It was as if time had stopped here. Or maybe it had never begun. As the team explored the area, they began to uncover mysteries, rare insects, fungi, and microorganisms never documented before. A completely unique ecosystem had evolved here, away from human eyes. Among their discoveries was something that left everyone stunned: fragments of ancient pottery buried in the soil. Could this mean that someone, long ago, had actually made it to the top? If so, who were they? And how did they climb such a steep and dangerous mountain without any modern tools? There were no signs of permanent settlement, no huts, no fire pits, just broken pieces of clay. Some researchers believe they may belong to an ancient tribe that once reached the summit, but this remains a mystery. Mount Lico had become a living time capsule, a preserved snapshot of Earth before human interference. The team collected over 700 biological samples, many of which belonged to species never seen before. A unique gecko, strange bugs, even bacteria with unknown traits. But the real question was, how had this place remained hidden for so long? The answer lies in the mountain's structure. Mount Lico is surrounded by sheer cliffs, which act like walls, protecting the summit from any intrusion. It's located far from cities or villages, in a remote region of Mozambique, making it extremely unlikely anyone would stumble upon it. Nature, it seems, had protected this forest on purpose. A natural vault, a sacred ecosystem, a window into a prehistoric version of Earth. Even today, researchers believe there's still more to discover. More species, more secrets, maybe even signs of an unknown civilization. Mount Lico is a rare reminder that no matter how far technology has come, there are still places on Earth that remain untouched, still full of secrets, still waiting to be discovered. All thanks to a scientist with a curious mind and a simple satellite image. If you found this story fascinating, don't forget to like this video. Comment below. Would you dare to visit such a place? And of course, subscribe to our channel, because next time we're uncovering more hidden corners of our mysterious planet.